Should judges be selected by politicians or by the people?
I think judges should be selected by the people.
The judges should be elected by the people.
Judges should be elected by the people.
Of course, by the people.
Because I feel like the person's vote is more important.
If you get convicted of a crime, you would want someone that you voted for to judge you.
The fact is that this is a big year for judicial elections, and you get to decide who sits on the bench as a judge, but only if you go to the polls and vote in the judicial elections on May 20th.